Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have not done one of these types of videos in so long, and I miss it because low-key these are probably one of my top like 3 favorite videos to film. I love sharing my food, and I just love watching like videos like that too. So I don't know, I just love it. So anyways, today's video is going to be what I eat in a day with my gym routine. I just went to the gym and I filmed it, so I will insert that footage right here.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, I am not the enemy, no need to run and hide. No. But as the night draws near, we are animals. The fear feels so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some kind of like inspiration from it. It's not what I do every day, but that's just I kind of compiled like all the things that I do on a normal basis into one video, so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I do, and maybe, like I said, that'll help you out in the gym. I'm super excited because I want to get a gym membership this summer to like Fitness Connection, so I can go to the pool and to the sauna. I don't know, that's just something I really want to do, because right now I just use the gym at my apartments because it's super convenient. But anyways, so we are about to go to the store. I have not had breakfast yet. I am absolutely starving. We need to pick up stuff for breakfast and dinner. Today is going to be kind of a busy day because I have to go to the library to work on my outline for a speech and to work on a PowerPoint. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy day, so you guys get to come along with me. So let's go to the store. All right, so we're looking for pepperonis now. You could get whatever kind you want.
We found them.
Okay, well, we found pepperonis. We pretty much got everything. I'll give you guys a little haul in just a second whenever we get everything. But yeah, we had 2 more things to get, and we're getting pepperonis right now for the pizzas, and then for dinner. I haven't told you guys about that yet. That's fine. Get it.
No, I don't want no big.
You don't want big pieces of pepperoni? Why not? No, actually, we want smaller ones because the pizzas are going to be smaller.
I know.
So, anyways, we got to go get waffles and we're done. But yeah, I'm going to make little mini pizzas tonight, and I'll explain how to make them whenever I get home. Alright guys, so this is the full haul. I could not resist getting these. They're so good. But I got some tea. These are on clearance. I think they're like 99 cents. Got some biscuits for tonight. Some waffles. Some these right here were like $1.49 at Kroger. Got some pineapple. So I'm gonna make some infused water. Some pepperonis, mushrooms, spinach, Alfredo sauce.
It's my junk.
Get out here. What? Oh yeah, some Monsters for $4. Some mozzarella, tomatoes, tangelos, red onion. Got all kind of veggies in here. So this is our little grocery haul. So I just got home and I just made us some diffused water. I'm super excited to drink this because I put tons of tangelo and pineapple. Last time I did one and it was watermelon and mint. Super good, but this one I'm excited about because it's going to give a lot of vitamin C and just it's going to be perfect. I've been obsessed with infusing water ever since like spring started, I guess. So I'm really excited to drink this. Gonna let it sit in the fridge for 24 hours and it's gonna be good. I'll probably taste it though tonight and let you guys know how it is. Alright guys, so it is finally breakfast time. I am so excited. So this morning I am just having some whole wheat waffles and I'm just having them with butter. I don't know, it's just me. I love just having them with butter. They're just so delicious, especially when they're hot and the butter melts like it did on here. And it's just so good to me. So I am having that with some fruit. This is pineapple, tangelo, and cantaloupe. So it's just a mix of different fruit and I'm very excited. I'm gonna split this with Corey, and Corey's gonna have waffles too, but he's gonna have his with this syrup. This is just a Log Cabin natural syrup, and I am having that with some unsweet tea right here. So that is my breakfast. Alright guys, so here is my lunch for the day. I am packing my lunch right now. Well, I packed my lunch because I'm gonna go to the library and get some work done on the computers. I just love the computers on my library, so I'm gonna go over there, and I figured I'd bring me a lunch. I also made Corey a lunch too. He has the exact same thing, except for he doesn't have this. He has apples. This is just the fruit that was left over from this morning that we didn't eat. Figured I'd just take it with me. I got these. Picked these up at Kroger's. So have one of these because, you know, why not? Gotta treat yourself every now and then. And Corey has one too. And then here is my lunch. So this lunch is actually one of my favorites, like of all time. One of my favorite salads of all times. It is so delicious. You can't really see anything right now because everything is covered up, but there's spinach, red onion, apples, what else is in there? Oh, of course, lemon pepper tuna. I use the, what's it called? Oh, tuna. I use the, what's it called, babe? Like Tuna Creation or whatever?
Yeah, Tuna Creations.
Tuna Creation. I use those, the lemon pepper one. And you guys, it is so good. Walnuts, what else is in here? That's pretty much it. And then I have it with a little bit of ranch, just like a drizzle, and some cottage cheese. And the ranch that I use is the 60 calorie ranch. I got it from Kroger. I'm not sure like who it's by, but I highly recommend this salad. I put peppers in it before. I put like a little bit of lemon juice in there before, and it is absolutely delicious. And it's so good for you, so high protein, especially with the fish and the cottage cheese and all that. Ooh, you guys, it's so good. And it's low calorie if you use low fat cottage cheese. Anyways, so that is my lunch, and I am about to get ready because I am headed off to school. Okay, so while I'm in the car, I'm going to tell you guys about the dinner that I had planned to make tonight. So anyways, what I'm going to be making for dinner tonight. Tonight I am making pizzas, but they're not going to be just any pizzas. So I learned a long time ago that you can make pizza crust out of biscuit dough, and that is what I'm going to do tonight. And usually I just put biscuits together and make like a whole pizza, but tonight I'm going to make individual small pizzas out of like one biscuit. And whenever I'm doing it, I'll show you guys how I'm doing it, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. But I'm super excited to eat dinner tonight. Yeah, Corey's excited too, but I'm excited because I think it's going to be cool being able to customize your own pizza, because usually when we do like a big pizza, we do like pepperoni and stuff, and I'm not really that big of a fan of pepperoni, but I just take mine off, the pepperoni off. But it'll be nice to be able to customize my own pizza the way I want it. I have a couple of ideas, but I'll let you guys know tonight whenever I get home what they are as far as my pizza, and I'm excited to try that infused water, so that's gonna be fun. Anyways, I'm off to school. guys, so I just got done at the library, and yeah, it was awesome. I literally got everything done, so I'm super excited. I'll be able to upload this video tomorrow, which will be a Saturday. I'm so glad I was able to finish all my schoolwork so I can work on YouTube. I just have to put school first priority right now, and it just takes up so much of my time. YouTube doesn't take up nearly as much time, so it's kind of easy to put it on the back burner, but you know, I try to post every single week. Also, if you're new, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Yeah, I post like usually on the weekends, but it's every single week. And yeah. Alright guys, so it is almost dinner time and I am going to start cooking. Like I said, I'm going to be making pizzas, but instead of regular dough, I'm going to be using biscuits. So I'm going to roll out a biscuit and it's going to make everybody an individual pizzas. And the pizzas are going to be like about that big, but I wrote down all the ingredients, so I'm about to start taking orders to see what everybody wants. And yeah, I'm super excited. Not the healthiest meal in the world, but I'm going to be putting plenty of veggies on mine at least, so that'll make it a little bit healthier. And I've done pretty good for the day, but it doesn't matter. I mean, low-key, everything is in moderation. You're not going to be the most perfect eater all the time, and I'm not gonna sit here and claim to be like an excellent eater, you know, and stuff like that, because I eat healthy, but I also eat moderation. So I'll have pizza here and there, or I'll have whatever, you know, whatever it may be, you know, but I still try and eat healthy. I always incorporate fruits and veggies and, like, you know, healthy fats and healthy protein into my diet and things like that. So anyways, I am about to get started cooking and I will show you whenever it's all done. Alright guys, dinner is finally ready and I am so happy and so excited. These pizzas look absolutely delicious. This one I did an Alfredo with spinach, mushroom, tomato, and Parmesan cheese, and then this one I did marinara with, these are both meatless by the way, marinara, peppers, mushrooms, onions, and Kobe Jack cheese. So these are my little pizzas that I made out of biscuit dough, you guys. This is it. Super easy. I put these on for about 15 minutes and they were done. Absolutely delicious. I got some dipping sauce for the side because I love my sauce. I just love extra sauce. So I'm excited to eat this. Also, I am about to try my water that I infused today with Tangelos and pineapple. So let's try it. Water, and that's what I did, and I highly recommend. Like I said, if you guys know any other recipes, let me know. Last time I did watermelon and mint, like I said, it was super good. Anyways guys, that is gonna be it for my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. I know that there's a lot of viewers out there that aren't subscribed, and I would love for you to subscribe to join my family. I love to make videos that inspire you and motivate you and make you smile and just put you in a positive mood. I love that. Positivity is everything to me. So yeah, I would love for you to subscribe and join my family. And if you already are subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. It really means the world to me. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next one. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.